Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to buy BNB on crypto.com. So to do that, you have to log into your crypto.com app, then log into your account. Then to buy the BNB, you have to tap on account on the bottom menu, then choose the flat wallet to deposit your local currency. Then follow the instruction to add fund via bank transfer, credit card, or other available method. Then after that, tap the trade button on the home screen, then select buy. Then after that, in the search bar, type BNB and select it. Then after that, input the amount of BNB you want to buy. Then choose your preferred payment method, which is the flat or cryptocurrency balance, or can simply use credit card. Then after that, check the transaction details, including the fee and the amount of BNB to be received. Then after that, again, tap continue to complete the purchase. Then go to the settings, then go to the account, then click on crypto wallet to see your BNB balance. And that's just a simple guide on how to buy BNB on crypto.com. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more.